Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we have the Thermaltake V250 TJ ARGB. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, hit that bell for notifications, and let's get started. This is the Thermaltake V250 TJ ARGB. This is a case for all those that like those RGB lights and those fans that light up all your environment or your computer and your desktop. I for once, I like it, I love them. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, let's open this box and see what Thermaltake has to offer us. As we can see, it's well packed. It's got all this protection, so we could be rest assured that it probably is not going to be broken or anything like that. Let's cross our fingers. Let's start to get this box out of the way. It's a little tight, so it's well packed and it's really tight. So let's work this box out of the way and get this case open. Alright, let's get this here on the floor. Now let's get this out of here. Put that in that box. You can throw it in there, let it hoop. Alright, get this other one out of the way. Alright, put that there. Oh, there, I missed. Alright guys, so let's get this bag out. Now this case, it's well packaged. As you can see, it's got this plastic cover and all those the tempered glass. It's got a plastic wrap too as well, and the front panel has got that plastic wrap. All of you that likes to do that unwrapping, you got something to unwrap. You know, we got 3 fans in the front and one in the back for extraction. It's not heavy, it's light, it's a light case. You'll be surprised how light it is. It's got this magnetic filter for those that want to keep their computer clean. It's real good because it'll get dusty. Alright, so let's get this open. Now this all has thumb screws, so it's gonna be easy for you to open and work inside. Once you want to clean it and you want to change components, parts, it's convenient. You can just get that. You don't need no tools. Let's put this here for safekeeping. Alright, let's turn this around. Let's see what we got. Okay, now we got this plastic bag that has a couple of items in there. It has the stands that if you need more stands, you got more stands there. You got a SATA cable, an extra one. You also get one of those ties or zip ties. Yeah, that's pretty much what you get on that bag. You got 2, 4, 6 stands already installed in the case. Now since I'm going to use the ITX, I need those other 3, these 3 right here that I need to install to get the full range of my ITX motherboard. Right here we have the area for the PSU. That's pretty much what we have in this side of the board. Now let's open this part over here and see what we got on the other side. Alright, this is where all the cables are gonna go. This is where you're gonna hide all those cables and keep that all tucked away so nobody could see it. This is where we also gonna get we're gonna have that the RGB control and fan control card. You see all these cables? It's all right there. Once you see them, you're gonna be like, what is this? But then you'll be able to sort them out and figure out like where each one goes and what they're supposed to be doing with it. It looks crazy now, but you'll figure it out as you go. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for the new videos coming up. This is the Thermaltake V250 case or chassis, and for those who like the RGB lights, here we go.